Hello everyone from Tony the Scared Ghost. Let's install together the fitness facial interface and foam set for Oculus Quest 2 by VR Cover, and let's install on it the disposable hygiene mask always by VR Cover. This is a complete solution so that you can either try yourself and play fitness game without sweating too much, or making other people try fitness game or action game with full hygiene and safety guaranteed. So let's see how you can install this on your Oculus Quest 2.
Okay, so I'm here with my Oculus Quest 2 with the Skull Ghost and all the components of the fitness pack from VR Cover to mod my Quest so that to be more suitable to do some fitness. So first of all, to install it, let's remove by pulling gently the current facial interface of the Quest 2. Just have to gently pull it. Here it is a bit harder, so pushing it a bit down, you can remove it. And you see that is the standard interface of the Quest 2. So we put it here, and the first thing that we have to do is to install on it the custom interface by VR Cover. That apart from having a better nosepad, it has this I don't know how to say that, these channels that let the air flow outside the headset, so it doesn't fog you while you do fitness like with the standard interface. Plus it has here some velcro so that you can attach this interface. So let's just put it on and push it a bit, probably not this way, but by pushing it gently again in all its parts until it sticks. I'm noticing that it can be a bit hard. Not always it snaps doing click, okay, sometimes it does. But going all around and pushing it helps in securing it in all its parts. So I think now it's pretty solid. So it's okay. It's also better in closing the nose, I guess. And now I have to attach the sponge final facial interface. Notice that here there is a material that will stick well with the velcro that I have installed here. So let's put it this way. Maybe a bit better than how I was doing that. And I think it's okay. Just pushing it all around it. It feels very soft, much softer than the one provided with Oculus, and here it seems like having a waterproof material, so it's better for when I have to sweat. And now let's see instead this disposable mask. So if you want to make a demo, especially now in COVID times, you have to guarantee the hygiene of your users. So you can buy these disposable covers. You remove the protection for the adhesive part, and then you can attach them on one of the VR covers facial interfaces. So I have now the fitness one. So let's suppose I want to stay fit. I want to make people try a fitness game in an exhibition. I can just put this cover on top of the waterproof set, maybe in a better way than the one I'm doing, but trust me, I can do better than this, and then having it sticky over it. What I like of the VR Cover disposable masks is that usually in expos they give you those ones with the elastic, not the adhesive one. You wear them and then you put the headset on. But usually they move while you move with the head, and so it becomes annoying. This one by VR Cover are attached on the headset, so they're very stable, they never go in front of your eyes.
And that's it for this video. I really thank you for watching and ask you to like and subscribe as always. And I wish you a great day in AR and VR. Bye bye.